Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this striped returning gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'm going to be using today are all from Zoya. This is Bay. Then this slightly darker turquoise is Liberty. This deeper blue is called Waverly. And then this kind of denim blue, which is actually a lot darker when you apply it, is Sunshine. Then we have a couple greens. This is Cheetah. And the brightest green is CC. In addition to all those that I'll be doing the stripes with, for my base color, I'm going to be using Zoya Trixie. Once I've applied my base color, I've got a small lid here that I'll be using as my palette. And starting with the brightest blue, I'm going to just lay out a little bit of the polish. And for my brush, I've got kind of a medium to small brush. This one is from Nicole Diary. And I'm just going to go ahead and paint a stripe kind of at the middle of the nail at an angle. So kind of visualize the middle and lay it out there. Try to make sure that the color is consistent and opaque. And then once I've done that stripe on each of my nails, I'm going to come back with the next color and apply that on either side and continue for the whole nail. When I got to the last color, I went ahead and filled in the remaining edges, even if it was a little bit wider than the rest of the stripes on certain nails. And now I'm going to go in with my usual small brush and acetone and just do a little bit of cleanup as necessary around the edges. Once you've finished any cleanup, you can leave it as is if you want to rock the textured finish, or you can go ahead and make it glossy with the top coat, and that's what I'll be doing. As usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. I think the colors are really complementary, and I just really love the depth that the pixie dusts have when you add a top coat. I did go back and add a second layer of top coat just to really help smooth things out, but that's fully optional. And as I mentioned, if you really like the textured look, you can skip the top coat altogether. This is another design that went from zero to finished manicure during a live stream. Didn't know what I was doing when I started, and I'm just really thrilled with how somehow we ended up here. Of course, if you'd like to join me for live streams, you can give a follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And of course, everything will continue to be here on YouTube as well. I really hope you guys all enjoyed. I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.